I must say, this is going to be one of the craziest builds I've ever seen come in the shop. Customer says that he's got a custom ECU on a 2000 GMC Sierra 5.3 original. We all know those configurations. They come in as a 24X ECU, et cetera, et cetera. Well, this customer's decided to yank all that out, all the factory harness and everything, drop in a 2009 10-ish 6.0, so it's a 58X. So, and then he also chose to do an aftermarket ECU, which is a Summit Max LS kit, which is pretty much a rebranded FiTech system. So the fuel system is a little confusing. I've never seen before, but I think I understand what he's doing, but it needs to be corrected. And the wiring, I'm not knocking them down. I'm just saying this is one of the most unique ones I've ever seen. So I'll do a slow sweep so you guys can kind of see everything that's going on under the hood as far as wiring goes, placements of things. Custom made throttle bracket. All the extras that are on this thing. So many circuit breakers and fuses and junction boxes, temperature thermostats. Excuse me. It's pretty overwhelming. I mean, 2 fuel lines. I feel like what he's done is he split it and come up to the rails and rails over to the regulator and then return that back down. But it is just one of the most unique builds. And he's talking about going back with a factory ECU, and I'm like, it's too late. You have to pull the motor, change the reluctor, get a conversion box, if they got one. But there's just a lot going on in here. Switch for the fuel pump because he ain't got it wired up with the system. It's not going to be an easy one to get through, that's for sure, but I'll be in communication with the customer and we'll see how this thing goes. Stay tuned. I'll keep y'all updated. Have a great day. Kenneth's Performance.